Do this stretching exercise every day to relieve your back pain. Back and neck pain can have a big impact on your daily life, and make it hard to get from place to place. Although this pain may be a sign of a more serious condition, like spinal stenosis, a bulging disc, or spinal arthritis, it may also stem from your age and current lifestyle. Back and neck pain can have a big impact on your daily life, and make it hard to get from place to place. Although this pain may be a sign of a more serious condition, like spinal stenosis, a bulging disc, or spinal arthritis, it may also stem from your age and current lifestyle. 1. Perform a simple stretch to ease your neck pain. Keep your head upright, then look forward. Pull in your chin and glide your head backwards in a straight line. Once you've moved your head back, hold it in place for 5 seconds. Repeat this stretch 5 times throughout the day to get the full effect. Do these stretches on a daily basis and see if you notice a difference. 2. Do a bridge exercise to stretch your back. Set out a yoga mat or find another comfortable surface to use. Lay on your back with both feet planted on the floor and knees bent and pointing upwards. Engage your core and glute muscles, then lift your hips off the ground. Inhale and exhale 3 times before lowering your hips and bottom back to the ground. Try to do 5 reps of this each day. As you feel more comfortable with the exercise, add a few more reps to your routine each day. When you lift your hips, you should create a diagonal line from your shoulders to the top of your knees. You can also put an exercise or stability ball underneath your hips if you have difficulty raising them yourself. 3. Prioritize regular cardio exercise. Talk to a healthcare professional about creating a workout plan, or develop an exercise plan on your own. Opt for exercise that gets your heart pumping, like going for a run or jumping rope. Ideally, aim to exercise around 150 minutes each week, or follow your doctor's specific recommendations. 4. Perform regular strength exercises to reduce your pain. Find a comfortable surface to exercise on, then lay on your stomach. Lift yourself up so you're only placing weight on your toes and forearms, then hold this plank position for 30 seconds. Give yourself 30 seconds to recover, then try another rep of this exercise. Ask your doctor for specific strength training suggestions. Side planks are another great way to build your strength. 5. Take up yoga to reduce your symptoms. Focus on easy exercises that work on stretching and strengthening the muscles around your back and neck. Specifically, look for poses or exercise that force you to focus on posture and breathing. If you don't know how or where to get started, ask your doctor for advice. It helps to work with a professional instructor, as they can make sure that your posture and form are correct. 6. Lose some weight to reduce your spinal pain. Work on maintaining a healthy diet and consistent exercise routine, which may help you lose a little weight. Talk to your doctor about making a customized workout plan that is designed for your needs that won't put a lot of strain on your back and neck. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results right away. Losing weight is a big endeavor, and it takes a lot of time and dedication. If you weigh less, your back may feel a little less strained and sore.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,